Hello student, today we do exercise 6.2 examples 4 to 6. Chapter 6 lines and angles. Example 4 which is on your screen. If PQ is parallel to RS, angle MXQ 135 degree, angle MYR 40 degree, we have to find angle XMY. Figure at the right side of the page. Given PQ is parallel to RS, जो आपको स्टेटमेंट में गिवन है आपको एज इट इज लिखना होता है. टू फाइंड angle XMY, for this question we need to construct draw a line which is parallel to PQ through point M. Draw line AB parallel to PQ. Solution. Symbol of parallel. Let I am marking here angle 1, angle 2. PQ is parallel to RS given. PQ is parallel to AB by construction. So from these two, all these three lines are parallel to each other because line parallel to the same line. Angle 1 plus 35, दोनों का सम 180 होगा. क्यों? रीजन supplementary angle, same side of the transversal, sum of interior angle is 180 degree. Then angle 1 is, आप माइनस करने के लिए रफ वर्क एरिया यूज करेंगे स्टूडेंट, becomes 45. Angle 2 will be equals to 40. Reason, alternate interior angles. Now we have to find angle XMY, which is sum of two angle 1 plus 2. Value of angle 1 45 है, value of angle 2 40. That's why answer is 85 degree. Next is example number 5. Important example. If a transversal intersects two lines, we will draw here two lines. Line AB, line CD. A transversal. Let it intersect at point P and Q such that the bisector of a pair of corresponding angles its bisectors are parallel. These bisectors are parallel to each other. Then we need to prove two lines are parallel. Means to say आपको प्रूव करना है AB is parallel to CD. ट्रांसवर्सल का नाम T, बाइसेक्टर्स PR QT. Try to do make figure always help of reading statement. Given bisector of pair of corresponding angles are parallel. PR is parallel to QT. To show AB is parallel to CD. बाइसेक्टर है तो दोनों एंगल क्या होंगे? इक्वल. लेट आई एम गिविंग angle 1, 2, angle 3, angle 4. Proof. Angle 1 TPR, that is half of angle TPB, because PR is bisector. Angle 3, name of this PQT, capital D, equals to half of angle PQD. Reason, QT is bisector. Since we know that angle 1 equals to angle 3, means to say angle TPR equals to angle PQT because of corresponding angles from 1, 2 and 3. What will comes? दोनों की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल है तो राइट हैंड साइड भी क्या हो जाएंगी? इक्वल. कैंसिल हाफ फ्रॉम हाफ. देन angle TPB equals to angle PQD. What type of these angle? These are corresponding angles. If we know that if corresponding angles are equal, therefore AB is parallel to CD by converse of parallel lines. Next is example number 6. AB is parallel to CD. CD is parallel to EF. Figure which is on your screen. Given also EA is perpendicular to AB. Angle BEF 55 degree. To find value of x, y and z. Solution. AB is parallel to CD. CD is parallel to EF. Therefore, these three lines parallel to each other, reason line parallel to the same line. Angle y plus 55 equals to 180. Reason supplementary angles. Value of y माइनस कीजिए आप, मेक्स 125 डिग्री. x equals to y. Reason corresponding angle. Value of y is 125. So x is also 125 degree. Now angle A plus angle AEF 180. AB is parallel to EF. AE is transversal, called supplementary angles. Value of angle A 90. AEF is a sum of Z plus 55. Solving. Angle Z minus 35 degree. Hence the answer x equals to y 125, angle Z 35. Answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling, everyone.